Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'm making two side curve gather dress and I'm going to use Duchess fabric to achieve the style that we are making today. So I want you to sit back, enjoy this video and please subscribe to my YouTube. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also turn notification bell to get notified to see my sewing tutorials that will be coming up on my channel. And you can share this tutorial with your friends, with your loved ones. You can also comment. Let me know what you think about today's sewing tutorial. You can drop it in the comment section below. So if you have your fabric there with you, bring it out, bring it out, bring it out. Let's cut along with me. So let's dive in, guys. So I folded my fabric already into four parts. So remember I told you guys last time that it's very easy for you to cut your front and the back piece once your fabric is folded into four. Okay, so I'll be marking my zipper by 1 inch. So I'm going to draw a straight line for the zipper side and it's by 1 inch. I'm so excited today. So I'm going to subtract 4 inches from my tape to get my length of my dress and it's by 36 inches. So that's the 36 inches. Then I'm going to mark my half length by 17 inches. So that's the 17 inches for my half length line. So I'm going to draw a straight line for that. Then for my hip length is by 24 inches. So that's for the hip length measurement and it's by 24 inches. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark my neckline is by 3.5 inches. So guys, like I said, if you have your fabric there with you, cut along with me guys. You're going to learn a lot from today's sewing tutorial. So I'm going to go down by 2 inches for the depth of my neckline. So it's 2 inches that I'm going down. So I'm going to just give a curve. You can see the way I'm curving it. Then I'm going to go down because it's going to have a stylish neck. The neck is like a deep V neckline, but it's not that deep. Okay. So my armhole is by ½ inch. So that's what I'm marking. So I'm going to use my ruler to curve it down. That is to slope it down, guys. After that, I'm going to mark 28 inches for the waist. So I'm going to my half length line to mark 28 inches for the waist measurement. Then after that, I'm going to add 1.5 inch for my sewing allowance. So I'm going down to my hip measurement and it's by 38 inches. Then I'm going to also have my sewing allowance by 1.5 inch. So on my hemline area, I'm going to also shape it by 32 inches. So that's the 32 inches that I'm using to shape my hemline area. Then I'm going to also add 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So now I'm going to mark my body measurement and my bust is by 36 inches. Don't forget I'm going to divide it by 4. Then I'm going to also add my sewing allowance by 1.5 inch. Okay, so I'm through with my measurements. So now I'm going to connect all my lines together. So I'm going to start it from my bust measurement. Then I'm going to take it down to my hemline area of my fabric. So guys, you can see the style is very unique style that we are making and it's very simple to understand. And if you don't understand it, there is no problem. So just need to ask me your question. You can ask me in the comment section. You can drop it there. I'm going to reply you guys. Okay, and don't forget to like this tutorial. You can also share it also. So just keep on watching guys because we are going to learn a lot. So the depth of my back neckline is by 2 inches and it's going to have round neck there. I'll go ahead now to mark 3.5 inches for the middle line because it's going to have side gathers. So I'll keep on marking 3.5 inches for my middle line. So I'm going to mark it down to my hemline area of my fabric. So your own should look like this when making your own. So guys, keep on watching this video to the end. So that's the 3.5 inches for my middle line. So after that, I'm going to use my ruler to draw a straight line. I'm going to take it down to my hemline area of my fabric. So I'm connecting the lines together. After that, I'll go ahead now to get my curve. So I'm going to start it from my half length area, and don't forget the measurement is 17 inches. That's where I'm going to curve it. I'm going to curve it down to where my middle line is. So that's what I'm using my hand to point now. So after that, I'm go ahead now to cut it out. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'm so sorry the chalk is not showing. It's because of the color of the fabric. But one thing is that my camera have changed the color of my fabric, and I don't like that. I don't like it. It has changed the fabric color again. Who did this to me? You are laughing. It's not funny at all. Guys, the color is sky blue, and my camera have changed it. Please, I'm so sorry about that, but just know that the color is a sky blue color. Okay, so I'm still cutting. Please keep on watching. So that's the front neckline that I'm cutting now. Don't forget I told you that it's going to have a deep V shape in the front, but not that deep. So you can see the way I'm curving my scissors when cutting the front neckline. So your own should look like this. Okay, so after this part, we are going to also cut the other parts of the fabric. We still have the side curve to cut, and the sleeve also we are going to also cut it. So stick around with me. Please watch this video to the end, guys. I'm still cutting. So that's it. See, I've not seen your comments. Say something. And if you have any question, please, you can ask me now also. So to get my side gathers, I'll be using the part that I cut out now to lay on my fabric. The part that I cut out was 19 inches, so I'll be extending the length by 2 inches, making it 21 inches. So I'm going to also mark 6 inches to make it to flare out. So that's what I'm using my hand to demonstrate. So this is how I'm going to curve it. So I'll be curving it from the sharp edge, and after that I'm going to cut it out. Okay, so please keep on watching to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that's the cutting, and I have similar tutorial on my channel. You can also watch it so that you can also learn from it. And please, you can share this tutorial also, and don't forget to also turn notification bell to get notified to see my next sewing tutorial on my YouTube channel. So after that, I'll be notching. So I'm going to place my tape after notching. So I'm going to place my tape to mark 13 inches. So that's what I'm going to do next. So that's the 13 inches, and that's where my gathers is going to end. I'm going to also notch it. So when sewing, that's where I'm going to end my gathers. So I want you to keep on watching this video to the end, because you are going to join the body parts now. So to join my body parts, I'll be marking my waist. So my waist is 28 inches. I'm going to divide it by 2. So I have 14 inches, and that's what I'm marking for my waist measurements. And don't forget why I'm dividing my measurements by 2 is because I'm joining my body parts together. So now is my bust measurements. My bust is 36 inches divided by 2 is equal to 18 inches. So that's what I'm marking now. So after this part, I'm going to go ahead to stitch the fabric together. After this part, I will head over to stitch the body parts together, and I'm going to also show you guys after stitching it. So that's the next step now. Okay, so this is what I have after stitching it together. So right now we are going to gather the fabric now. So this is how to draw the thread so that your gathers can form out well. So after this part, we are going to also attach it around the curve area of the fabric that we are making today. So guys, I will be showing you guys how I'll be stitching my gathers around the curve area of my fabric. So this is how to stitch it. So it's going to also appear at the other side of the curve area of our dress that we are making today. So this is what I have. So right now we are going to cut out the sleeve. So my dress has a puff sleeve, so I folded my fabric already. So I'll go ahead to mark the length, which is by 16 inches. Don't forget I folded my fabric by 7 inches. So the upper part of the sleeve is going to have gathers, then the down part is for the puff that I'm going to use elastic to puff it out. So guys, so this is how to go about it. I'm using my safety pin and half-inch elastic to puff my down part of my sleeve, guys. So guys, this is the final look of what we made today. I made use of 2 years of Duchess fabric to achieve today's sewing tutorial. So guys, thank you for watching to the end, and please you can subscribe. You can also turn notification bell to get notified to see all my sewing tutorial that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. And please you can share this tutorial with your friends, and you can also comment. Please drop it in the comment section, guys. And if you have any question concerning this particular tutorial, you can also ask me in the comments. I'm going to reply you guys. Guys, so we made today's sewing tutorial with 2 years of Duchess fabric, and the style is called two-side curve gathered dress. It's a trendy style. It's trending all over the world, and I want you to have one for yourself. Thank you once again for watching to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.